On October 16, 2025, Florida officers responded to an apartment building disturbance call. Within 7 minutes, the subject was offered a citation. Within 9, she was on the ground in handcuffs. By the end of this analysis, you will know how a misdemeanor became a felony in roughly 90 seconds.
What's going on?
They're also super suburban.
What did you say?
I'm trying to get this money approved.
Oh, you're locked up?
No, my boyfriend's in there, and I can't get in.
Okay, what's his name?
Sean.
Sean, were you guys arguing?
Yeah, you know.
Okay. What's your name? My name is Brennan.
Oh, great. You can let him know that I want to get inside.
Okay. Can we figure out what's going on first?
Sean, can you please let me in?
How about talk to me? We'll figure it out. We'll figure that out.
Where did you guys come from?
What do you mean? Where did we come from?
What,
Well, somebody called because you're banging on the door.
Because I was banging onto my own door.
Yeah, it's loud. You got neighbors.
Okay.
Okay. What was going on with you and your boyfriend?
Nothing.
You said you were arguing.
I'm trying to get inside.
I get that. But
Yeah.
if there's something going on between you guys, I don't want you to go back inside. You stop knocking.
Please stop knocking.
Yeah.
I don't think you need to be here in the first place.
Well, apparently I do. People called because they were concerned.
That's one person. Someone who's okay. White trash.
How'd all that start? Like, how can we help you with that?
Well,
Because
just to get inside.
you don't have a key, or
He has my key.
okay. Is it just like a fob?
Yeah, it's just a phone.
Gotcha. How long has this been going on for? How did it all start?
They came up and they were.
No. Before that, with you and your boyfriend, before you ended up in the hallway.
No, they came up and they were being confrontational.
Okay. Why were they doing that?
They seemed aggressive because they were drunk.
Okay. But just for no reason, or like, what's the reason? Because normally people don't just come up and.
Because they were acting like, oh, your dog is loud and you're loud, and so they're being.
Okay. So they were mad because you were banging on the door. Hello? They were mad because you were banging on the door?
Banging on the door of my own apartment to get inside?
No, I'm asking you a question.
Yeah, I was trying to get inside.
Okay. But how did you end up outside?
My boyfriend went inside and he passed out.
And he locked you out?
Well, he's got the key and I don't.
Okay. But why did he go in and not let you in?
He went in and passed out.
Okay.
Is that not the thing?
Well, I'm just seeing if an argument went on or something.
No, he went inside, he had the key, he went inside without me, and he
Okay.
had the key and...
Hello, I'm the property manager. How are you?
Hello. Can I talk to you in a few minutes?
Yeah, that's fine.
If you want to go that way or that way, let me just talk to her.
Okay, because I'm gonna have to be the one that lets her in, so just let me know.
Okay. Sounds good.
So stupid.
Maybe we should have 2 keys.
Maybe you should go figure something else out that's more problematic than this.
Well, if you did something to one of your neighbors, then
I did not do anything to one of my neighbors.
we're going to figure that out.
Oh, are we?
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe you should go figure actually something out that's a problem.
I mean, you kind of seem like the problem right now.
Oh, do I?
Seem intoxicated. Seem like you have an issue with your neighbor.
I think if you went to school for something wrong, then you need to go to figure that out.
That's what I'm doing.
No, you're not.
What am I doing?
You're figuring something out with a girl.
Correct.
Oh, so glad you went to school for that.
Correct.
You little good. That's great.
That's good.
Glad you went to school for that.
I sure did.
Yeah. Worth it. Worth it.
It was worth it.
Worth it. What is the deal?
What do you mean?
What, you guys are really trying to do something?
I already told you.
What?
I told you over dinner.
What?
What do you mean what?
Tell me.
Did you forget?
Tell me.
Did you forget?
Tell me.
I did.
Tell me.
I told you why we're here.
Tell me.
I did.
Tell me again.
Why?
Tell me.
I'm just wondering why. If I were-
No, because you have nothing to tell me.
I did tell you.
You have a little bitch problem and you have nothing to tell me.
Okay. I feel like you don't remember. Because you're
No,
drunk.
you didn't tell me.
I said.
No, I'm pretty lucid right now. You can tell me what happened.
Okay, why are you slurring your speech?
I'm not slurring at all.
Why you gotta lean up against the wall? to
Because
stand?
I'm trying to get into my own apartment. I'm not leaning or slurring, but thank you for trying to call that out.
We'll verify all that. Okay. Hey,
I don't even
Jessica.
know I'm part of this right now.
Hey, Jessica. So, you have an ID in there?
No,
No?
no.
Okay, because what I can do is I'm working with management to get you into your apartment. This is your apartment.
Why is this a thing?
Well, because you caused the scene here, right?
caused the scene about what?
And there's a battery claim, okay?
A battery claim about what?
About you striking an individual, one of your neighbors.
Who?
I don't know off the top of my head, okay?
Oh,
Okay.
tell me then.
Do you want help getting into your apartment or not?
No, I don't.
Do you want no help getting into your
I
apartment?
want you to tell me who I battered.
One of your neighbors.
Okay, well, if you can't tell me who, then I don't give a.
Okay, your neighbor next door, right? That was trying to help you when you barged into his place, okay?
I didn't barge into any
Okay,
of this place.
so look, we're trying to help you out here, okay? I'm trying to get you back into your apartment, and that way we can all be
My
on our way.
boyfriend's already in there, so you don't have to help me.
Good. It doesn't seem like he's letting you in.
Okay, well, let me in there, don't worry.
I'll just get an image.
Yeah. You give me permission to go home for the day?
I don't give a what you do for the day.
Okay.
I know you're trying to do something. I don't give a.
Well, what's gonna happen here is,
Oh, what's gonna happen here?
well, there's two options here, okay? Number one, you can comply with us. You're gonna get a citation.
About what? What did I do?
I just told you already.
What did I do?
You battered your neighbor.
What did I do to my neighbor?
You battered them
Battered them how?
by kicking them.
Okay.
Issue 1. Battery under Florida Statute Section 784.03. Battery is the intentional, unwanted touching of another person. Standing alone, it is a first-degree misdemeanor. Maximum 1 year in jail, $1,000 in fines. That is the floor, not the ceiling. A neighbor reported the kicking. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, that single statement supplies probable cause through the totality of circumstances test. The officer did not need to witness the battery. A credible victim's account is enough to make an arrest. Florida law gives officers full discretion on misdemeanor battery. The officer chose citation. The subject closed that door.
In the groin.
No, I did not.
Okay?
Okay, here's how it's gonna go. We're gonna get your ID. You're gonna get a citation for battery. That's gonna be it. If you don't want to comply, I can take you to jail for battery, and I can fingerprint
I have nothing.
you. Okay. You want to sign complaints?
Yeah.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Are you?
Put your hands behind your back.
I have nothing to do about that
Stop pulling away. Stop.
Oops. Stop.
Stop
You blurred it.
guy. Sean! You guys are a bunch of losers.
51 in custody.
A bunch of losers.
Stop. Okay.
Get off of me! Get off of me! No!
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it good?
Really? This is what you guys have to do? You guys are a bunch of losers. This is what you guys have to do on this night. What a bunch of losers. Bunch of losers. This is what you have to do. Bunch of pussy. This is what you have to work on. What a bunch of losers.
You guys good?
Can we just walk?
No. You're what? What is this for?
For battery.
For battery for what?
For battering your neighbor.
I never touched my neighbor. Maybe I touched you guys, but not my neighbor. No, stop.
You just stop.
I fucking touched my neighbor.
Issue 2. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute Section 784.07, subsection 2b. The same physical act that would be a misdemeanor against a civilian becomes a third-degree felony when the victim is an officer performing lawful duties. Maximum 5 years in prison, $5,000 in fines. Sealing or expungement, generally unavailable. Florida Standard Jury Instruction 8.11 requires 4 elements. Intentional touching, victim is an officer. Defendant knew it. Officer was performing lawful duties. Issue 3. Resisting officer with violence under Florida Statute Section 843.01. Pulling away during cuffing, plus kicking, satisfies this third-degree felony. The verbal insults are not the crime. The conduct is.
Okay, now you're getting an egg out of your church.
Come on,
Are you done?
We're turning this into a felony. This is what you want?
Get this off me. I never touched my neighbor. Get this. What is wrong with you guys?
Stand up. Stand up. Right now.
No.
Stand the fuck. All right, fine. You good?
Yes. Let's drag her back.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. I didn't touch my neighbor.
Just
What are you
stand
guys?
up.
Stand up.
Why you didn't touch my neighbor? What are you guys doing right now?
Let's go. Stand up. Come on.
What are you doing?
You're going to jail.
Yeah.
I didn't touch my
You
neighbor.
did, and then you need me in the groin too.
No,
Yes.
I did
Let's
not.
go. Come on.
Are you guys kidding right now? Can I pay a fine?
No. No, you can't. You're going to jail.
I didn't I didn't touch my neighbor.
Okay, how many charges do you want?
Why are you guys doing this?
You got battery, ag bat, resisting, obstructing.
Okay.
The charges: battery on a person, battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting arrest. 2 of the 3 are felonies. One legal point most viewers miss. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, the insults shouted at officers are protected speech. The First Amendment protects verbal criticism of police, even profane criticism. Officers correctly charged only on physical conduct. The lead officer earns a B+. Patient diversion first approach. Calm tone through extended verbal abuse. Deduction for 1 post-arrest insult that crossed the professionalism line and gave a defense attorney free ammunition at trial. The subject earns an F. Refused to identify. Pulled away from cuffing. Kicked an officer. Every step closed an exit ramp. 3 lessons. First, witness statements alone create probable cause under Illinois versus Gates. The officer does not need to see the battery. Second, the moment hands move on an officer, Section 784.07, transforms a misdemeanor into a third-degree felony with 5 years of prison exposure. Third, you can call an officer every name in the book and never face a charge. The First Amendment protects words. It does not protect kicks. Do you agree with the B+ grade? Was the takedown proportional, or could the officer have waited longer? Share your reasoning in the comments. Subscribe for more legal breakdowns of police interactions, and remember, every encounter is governed by law. The hardest lesson is when consequences arrive faster than judgment.
So why are you guys like jerking off to this right now?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. You are actually. What is the deal?
I would much rather not be doing any of this.
I didn't do anything to you guys, and I didn't do anything to my neighbor. Are you kidding me right now? I have to worry about my dog?
Your boyfriend's home, right? He'll take care of the dog.
Oh, because you guys are too afraid to take care of actual real felons. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's take care of the white girl instead of an actual real felon. You. There you go. Yeah. Oh, you guys look so cool walking me out here. Oh my God. What a bunch of losers. I didn't hit my neighbor. You said I did.
Police. Sit in the seat. Come on.
Shut the up, you fat. You're a fat idiot, and I don't like you.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.